Hey, Bayana Point, this is Mrs. Barrow with a club announcements. This Friday will be our first Club Friday. We're going to have a shortened schedule, and at the end of the day, I need to give you your locations so you know where to go for your club. If you don't know what club you're in, you need to log into your Microsoft 365 account with the help of a teacher, and you can find out what clubs you're in. Some clubs are all year. Some clubs are semester 1 and semester 2, and the reason for this is that there's some clubs that a lot of students want to be in, but it's not feasible to have that many kids in a club. So I made it semesterly so everybody has a chance to do what they love. So that being said, I'm going to read off the rooms now. Anime Comic Club is in room 135. Archery will be meeting in room 111, but will normally be outside. Arts and crafts will be in the art room. Basketball will be inside the gym. Color Jam will be in the innovation room in the green hallway. Computer Games 1 will be in room 118. Computer Games 2 will be in room 131. Cooking will be in the cafeteria. Drama, singing, and acting will be in the media center. Drawing A will be in room 108. Drawing B will be in room 113. Duolingo will be in room 133. Fellowship of Christian Athletes and track will be out on the track outside. Flag football will be on the football fields. Games will be in room 112. Harry Potter will be in room 134. Junior ROTC will be in room 109, but will be outside at times. Just Dance will be in room 103. Minecraft will be in room 114. Pokemon will be in room 107. Shark Tank is not until semester 2, but it will be in room 104. Soccer will be outside on the soccer field. Street hockey will be on the tennis courts. SWAT will meet in the commons. The TLC will be in room 140. Uno and card games will be in room 102. Unplugged games will be in the imagination room in the red-blue hallway. And weightlifting will be in the weight room. I also wanted to let you know, since so many people were inquiring about this form that will be available in the office on Monday. This is the club change request form. All requests will be considered but are not guaranteed. Because for students to be in clubs, there needs to be a certain number of students per teacher. And we can't go over that number for safety concerns. So if it's possible, and you could get this form filled out completely, I will see if I can accommodate you. Now, if you look on the form, you have to do your full name, student number. You have to write in your current club and what semester it is, and then the club you'd like to change to and what semester that is. You need the signature of the current club sponsor. That is the signature of the teacher's room that you are going to on Friday. Then you will need the signature of the new club sponsor, which will be the person that will be sponsoring the club that you wish to move to. Once you get both of those signatures and your signature, you may turn it into the front office, and then I will fill out the bottom part of the request form and let you know if we can accommodate you. If you do not have signatures of the club sponsor that you have now and the club that you would like to move to, you will not get the change done. Okay? Lastly, I would like to speak to a few people that have been emailing me. I have copies of the choices that you made for your clubs. So if you don't remember what they are and you don't think you signed up for one, I can verify whether you have or not. Also, as people sign up later and later for clubs, there's less choices available because clubs fill up. And like I said, we have the 1 to 20 students teacher ratio, which is keeping everybody safe while we're in clubs. So thank you for all of your considerations. And I really hope that this is the best club year ever. And I've worked very hard to do so. So crossing my fingers that it all works out, and we will see you Friday for clubs. Have a great day.